Hey everybody, it's Chris. Welcome back to another taste testing video with the crew. Here with my mom, my sister-in-law, Mary, Katie, my niece, my friend Rachel, and my brother, Brian. So we're going to do a vegan zombie taste test. Are you excited? You're excited. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Yes? Because we have Nada Moo. We have the newest flavors of Nada Moo ice cream. So what do we have here? We have Marshmallow Stardust. I hear it tastes like Lucky Charms.
Oh, do you like Lucky Charms? Oh, look at her. She's all
Whoa!
Never had Lucky Charms.
You've never had Lucky Charms.
We have Peach Cobbler.
Marshmallows.
And we also have Banana Caramel Crunch. So what do you say? Let's pop these open and try them. You want the banana one first?
Yeah.
All right, we're doing it.
Banana crunch.
Here, Brian.
I have a story
yeah, here,
when we
Rach.
get to the Peach Cobbler. Ooh, look at that. Look at the caramel coming right out of that crunch. Okay, here we go.
Ooh.
Somebody gonna...
Yeah.
Oh, and I grabbed that piece too, didn't I?
Yeah.
We'll give it over to Bri, and we'll just pass it
Ready?
around
Let's get.
the production line.
You want to do it yourself?
Take two, because I got two of us here.
Whoa! I'm just gonna take a whole big lot.
She's getting
Can
it.
you
What
get
is
it?
that? That's got a familiar taste. It's got like a nostalgic taste to it.
Like
It's
banana.
good.
It's Rachel. Let
It's
Rachel
like
get
bananas.
What?
I said like
What
bananas.
flavor is it?
Well, but they're like, it's like a banana bubble gum or something I had
Oh
back
yeah.
in the day.
Yeah, it does have like.
Yeah.
Bubble gum.
Bubble.
Bubble gum.
So I don't like banana. I like banana bread and bananas. But I don't like banana in my anything else.
Yeah.
And this is good.
It is, yeah. Same here. I can make banana smoothies, but if you just give me a banana straight up, unless I'm like really hungry, I'd rather not.
This is
Yeah.
real. I like this a lot.
It's
This is
good.
really good.
I'm glad you like it, Katie.
Good.
Katie likes it.
I like it. It's really good. What does it taste like?
Nada Moo has really good stuff.
That is good.
Cereal?
It
It's
tastes like
coconut
cereal.
milk based frozen dessert. You like it, Mom? All right. So that's 1 for 1.
That's nice and smooth too.
Banana
Yes.
caramel crunch. Nada Moo. Everybody grab another spoon. All right. My peach cobbler story.
Katie, you're gonna lose it.
Before we try this, I gotta tell this, so just give me a minute here. So, back in the day when I was a Cub Scout, I went away to a week-long event where my parents dropped me off to go
Boy Scout camp.
Boy Scout camp to go camp, and it was in the Adirondacks or something. And tons of Cub Scouts and Boy Scouts there. And I remember it was pouring out, just pouring out, and I was in a lean-to. I was cuddled up in my sleeping bag, all nice and warm, and these older Boy Scouts, because I was a younger Cub Scout, they were trying to get a fire going in pouring rain. But remember, the Boy Scouts can do all this stuff. So they had tarps and everything, and they got this fire going, and they were going to make peach cobbler in a Dutch oven on the flames. Now, I had never had peach cobbler. I didn't know what it was, but it just sounded really good. And the fact that they were making it in a Dutch oven on a campfire, it just sounded so appealing to me. And I was so comfortable, and I fell asleep, and then I woke up. I'm like, where's the peach cobbler? And like, oh, it's gone. And I was like, what? And I had never had peach cobbler again all those years until I think a few years ago I tried it, and I get to try it
Is that
again.
why you wanted to come home?
Well, yeah. There were spiders in my tent. Anyway, peach cobbler, here we go.
Wait till it's taken away.
Oops.
Sure.
Oh, look at that. That's so creamy. Oh, I want some of the cob down there. There's like cobbler down at the bottom. I got it. Okay. Pass that over to Bri guy.
Hold on.
Some boogies first.
Oh, yeah.
Peach cobbler.
All right,
boogers.
different spoon. You need a different spoon.
Oh, different spoon.
The pink
Put
one
that
is the
one
one
over
she
there.
used last.
Okay, I don't even know if I like this, but I'll
All right.
give it a good.
I don't know either, but
Okay.
Wow, the whole thing in his mouth at once.
All right. Rachel?
very cobblerish.
Cobblerish. You don't like it?
I didn't try it yet.
Oh.
I like it.
I just smelled it.
You don't like peaches?
I like peaches.
Well, then you
Peaches.
should like it.
Teaches of peaches.
I don't like
Oh,
peach
okay.
flavored
I don't like,
but I like
exactly.
I like a peach.
But it's good. If you get a little bit of that cobbler,
I did.
So it's good,
I don't like it.
but it's
Oh,
not.
I
do.
It's not for me.
I
no.
like it.
Exactly. I don't think I would.
I love it. I
If-
like
that
it.
one?
Good.
If I'm gonna spend my money on
Okay.
something chocolatey or this, I would go with the chocolate. But I'm glad I got to try some more of this. And I was never really
It's
a
good, guys.
I'm not
It
a peach
really is
fan.
good.
It's good. I think you have to be a peach person.
right.
It is.
Every
I
once
get what
in a
you're
while,
saying.
It's a good summer like
Yeah. Nice hot.
Katie
It
didn't like
really
that
is
one.
good.
But now we're
I
down
could
to
see
the.
making like a milkshake with something.
Mm-hmm.
Here you
Did
go.
like it?
I don't know. With
Everybody grab a new spoon.
Did you like it?
I think it was good. I like it.
All right,
I didn't like
Brian, you need a
that.
spoon?
No.
you didn't like the peach, but you like the banana. But guess what? We're gonna have now
Did Katie get a new spoon?
She's got one.
marshmallow stardust. This
Tastes
is.
like Lucky Charms.
It's like Lucky Charms, is what
I
I
don't know if I'll take
hear.
a big one of this one or not.
Here we go. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God! Look at
Look at
that.
the color, Katie.
like a unicorn.
Lavender and
It is like a
white.
unicorn. Look at that.
What's it smell like? Does it smell like marshmallows?
It smells like a box of cereal. Let's get some of. Let's get all of
I
this.
think that might be a marshmallow on the top.
Oh
Is it?
yeah, Chris has a marshmallow.
Oh, I got a marshmallow here. We'll give it to Brian.
A vegan? It's got to be a vegan marshmallow.
Yeah,
Katie's
they're
about to eat
dandies.
that marshmallow right now.
I'm just gonna take this. Katie, look at Katie. Look, there's a marshmallow there and there.
So get them.
Oh my God.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's the little kid in you.
There
Oh,
you
there-
go. There you go.
There you go,
Got a good
Katie.
scoop.
She's like, I'm gonna. If you're offering it to me before bed, I'm taking it, man. Look at her laughing. Take a picture of
Boy,
that.
that's a big one, Katie.
Wait till you try it. It's so super good.
Do you like it? Yeah. She does.
That's like birthday cake.
I
It's
don't
good.
think I can eat
It doesn't taste quite like birthday
I
cake.
think you could
It
try.
does.
It's so creamy too.
I wonder if I, you know that peanut butter stuff?
That one's really good.
Put some peanut butter in it.
I like them all.
I like this one a lot. This is good.
That's the best one in my opinion.
I
Of
like
these three.
Mom.
I do. I like them all.
Me too.
Do you like them all?
Nope, I didn't like the one you didn't like. The peanut
You know
butter.
what? Is it because you've driven here and they have time to melt a little? But
Well,
I've
yeah.
never
Peach
had
one,
a
but I like
vegan
this
ice
one.
cream that's this smooth. This is really nice.
This is,
It's pretty smooth.
I got a new spoon, just so you know.
I think the
I'm gonna-
marshmallows in that one
I'm gonna
do
use some
taste
more
like
of this.
Lucky Charms. Like they're like marshmallows to Lucky
Yeah.
Charms.
They're very soft and.
But it
they're
also
marshmallow.
tastes like a vanilla cake.
Yeah. I was gonna say, it tastes like a birthday cake.
I like this. I
Here's
do
just
like
a
this.
marshmallow with a little tiny bit of ice cream.
Just a little bit. I like this one.
You like it?
This is delicious.
Just a marshmallow. You like marshmallows, right?
Huh?
I'm going for second.
I ate seconds too.
You did? Is that your favorite, or did you like the banana one better?
This one and that one.
You like them all, just like Mommy and
I think you got yogurt in your
Grammy.
hair.
All right, so let's go for the review
We're the
here.
ice cream experts. We like them all, right, Katie?
We'll start with Brian. What do you think?
With that one?
With all of them, what's your favorite and what's your least?
The favorite is this one, this marshmallow one. And then the banana one, and then I didn't like the peach one.
You didn't like the peach cobbler?
Yeah, I
Oh,
didn't like
I did.
What about you, Katie? What's your favorite one? You're still trying to balance it on your spoon there.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Rachel?
The marshmallow one was my favorite, but I also like the banana. The peach I wasn't a fan of.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah, the banana had like a really nice tasting caramel in it, definitely. And mine is also going to be the marshmallow stardust and then this, and you know, just for sentimental reasons, like
No, on a nice hot day instead of sherbet, that is good. I like them all. I can't pick.
so you can't pick.
I'm an ice cream. I like ice cream. I like them all.
You know, when I called her tonight and I said, "Mom, you want to do a taste test?"
Do you like them all?
I do like them all. Mommy likes the marshmallow one the best, but I like the peach one too. I like them all.
Oh, you do it. So we got a peach over there and over here. But I gave my mom a call and I said, "Mom, do you want to come over? Do you want me to come over and we're gonna do a video, taste test video?" "Oh, Chris, I don't really feel too good." I'm like, "All right." She goes, "What are you taste testing?" I'm like, "Ice cream." She's like, "Yeah, I'll be there." He said the same thing.
We like our ice cream.
So, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you like these taste test videos, let me know in the comments below. Give me that thumbs up. And watch out for zombies. And we'll see you guys in the next
Watch out
time.
for zombies.
Watch out for zombies, right?
Yep. Okay.
All right.
Bye. See you
Bye.
next time.
We have more ice cream, guys.
Oh, we're gonna have
we
another
got
one. No ice
we got
cream.
more ice cream.